Hi, my name is Donna and I'm going to be cooking roasted cherry tomato, mozzarella and basil pasta salad. I'm going to put my cherry tomatoes in a bowl. Now I'm going to peel and crush my garlic. Just get the skin off the garlic and just squish them down with a knife on top. You can chop as small or leave as chunky as you like. Do you like big pieces of garlic? And I'm going to pop that all in the bowl with my cherry tomatoes. Into here I'm going to add some salt and some pepper and 2 tablespoons of oil. I've got olive oil, but if you haven't got olive oil, normal oil will do. Now I'm going to transfer my tomatoes onto a baking tray. Whilst our tomatoes are roasting in the oven, we've put a pan on to boil and we're going to add our pasta. Whilst the pasta's cooking, I'm going to cut my mozzarella, which I've drained, into bite-sized pieces. There you go. Now our cherry tomatoes are cool, we're going to pop them in a bowl. Mozzarella. Give it a good mix. Add our basil leaves. You can tear these. Give it a good mix round. If you have more time, you can slow roast your cherry tomatoes on 160 degrees. You could add more salad. Even though this is a simple salad, you could add things like cucumber, sweet corn, anything. This is ideal for packed lunches, to keep in the fridge. If you want to, before serving, you can add a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or oil. Mix in.